said to Miss Staunton, "Can you lock the door so you're not interrupted?" It doesn't really matter if this violent man that Brendan Grehan called a thug comes back in and beats the head of you with a hammer or a hatchet. Grehan knew exactly what was going on. And he knew he had only one bite of the lays of this cherry. Nobody involved in the deliverance of justice, whether you be a prosecutor or a defence barrister, nobody in their right mind would have went ahead with that testimony, what happened in that kitchen in New York that day. But we're going ahead with Brady's case. Judge Michael White, along with Brendan Grehan and along with Mark Phillips, ploughed on regardless. These two men said they weren't going to investigate what happened the day before. Brendan Grehan said on the behest of An Garda Síochána and Senior Investigating Officer Mark Phillips, there would be no investigation into who this man was. If that happened in a normal court, someone ran into the room and attacked someone giving evidence, there'd be pandemonium. And Judge White knew every second, as soon as the first word was shouted at Molly Staunton, that's it. Should have been stopped immediately. Because Molly Staunton was being forced to say something that was untrue. Brendan Grehan said it would be an exercise in futility to find out who Seamus was. Of course, everybody involved with Aaron Brady's case needed to know who Seamus was, needed to know why he was exerting pressure on Molly Staunton, needed to know why he physically attacked her behind the screen of the laptop, needed to know why Seamus was shouting, "No more testimony. Tell them what you're supposed to tell them." And you tell us, Brendan Grehan, and tell the Irish public it would be an exercise in futility. Are you for real? And there can be no other alternative answer to why those questions weren't asked. Because Seamus had some skin in the game. Seamus was getting something out of Molly Staunton's false testimony.